Hello.
How we doing?
Good, how are you?
Doing well, man. That's it.
Did I make a key the last time too?
You got a key for that one, which does not. Apparently they're all different, which is annoying.
Wow, it has that much movement and it's locked?
I believe so.
Maybe someone tried to force it?
I don't know. Yeah, I mean we just kind of jiggled it, but we didn't really go hard on it.
Okay. All right, let's get it open first.
Do you want me to hold the camera for you like last time, or you got it? Or
I'm gonna try to get a good close up on this one.
Gotcha.
Let's see if I could. I don't know because it's upside down. Someone actually told me that there's a different one for these handles when they're upside down, and I'm just like, well, I just sit on the floor and do it like that. So,
it'd be great.
yeah, I can make it the same.
I appreciate that. That'd be huge.
So just basically grab me that key when you have time.
Perfect. So, Peter, just put the key back. Yeah. Thank you.
Hey, good. How's it going?
Doing well.
You guys had a thermostat issue, huh?
Yeah, so we had so AC came, or the HVAC crew came.
Okay.
They got this one working.
Okay, perfect.
This one, which is not the end of the world, this one is not working. They were here for about 2 hours today looking at it.
Okay.
They need like a new part or something that's bigger than what they thought it was.
Okay,
gonna be.
so French one came out already.
Yes.
Okay,
So they
perfect.
come out already. They said they would talk to management about
The repairs.
repair.
Okay.
Don't really need it because now we have, like I said, the other one that we use feels good here.
Yeah.
Yesterday it was not working at all.
Oh, it's
like
going
93. Yeah.
Wow.
It was like a little bit. This one, I don't really care too much about it, but if you guys want to fix it on your own time,
Yeah, they'll fix it.
Don't let that
one
go.
takes care of that, and then like these two. But the other thermostat does the job for us. So.
Okay, perfect. So they're on top of this one. Did they
Yes.
get the battery replaced as well, or?
I think no, I don't think they replaced the batteries, but no, they replaced the batteries.
Okay.
Quicker this time, huh?
There you go, man. Much quicker. There you go.
Yeah.
That's the one.
I remember the other one took me a minute.
I know. Well, I think it was like slightly turned down a little bit, so the lock wasn't working very well.
Was that the excuse I used?
I think that's an excuse me, but you know what? I trust you, man. I'll defer to you. You know what you're doing. I don't.
Thank you.
All right, well, batteries are replaced. I'll follow up with Central.
Yeah.
You guys have it off right now?
Yeah, we have this off together, so we don't want to overheat the compressors.
Yeah, perfect.
So,
probably just pop air or just.
yeah, it was doing some issues. Just the rest of the stuff. So we're in good shape.
Awesome, you guys got the game going on.
Yeah, we do. So we were writing letters right now to some of our clients, so they like kind of give us something to look
Yeah,
at.
for sure.
Okay, so this lock, I should have left it picked, but maybe it turned back on its own. Anyway, I'm just going to pop this cover off. And then I'm going to shim it. So shimming is basically picking it from the back side. If I can get it started. It's not going in far enough. Okay. Well, something's blocking it. Well, I guess I'm picking it with the leashy. Unless. Let's find the longer key. I was using a 5-pin. Maybe it's 6. I thought this was a 5-pin lock, but I could be wrong. Locksmith, can I help you?
Hi, sir. I need a key made. I lost my keys, and I'm at Walmart. I can't find the keys in my car, and I have to get going home. So, would you be able to make keys for a car that I don't have the keys to?
We can, yeah. What kind of car is it?
It's a 2007 Buick LaCrosse.
Okay. Which Walmart are you at?
602. I'm at Walmart on Greenway, Hayden Loop, and the 101.
Greenway and Hayden. Okay. Hold on 1 second. All right, that's picked. We're going to pop it out. It is a 6-pin, so I'm gonna have to take one down. The key is a 5-pin key, so I will take the last pin out, so it works. So just get rid of the last chamber. Has a spring and a pin, and then on our cylinder, there's 6 spots. We're gonna leave the last one empty. One, 4, 3, 7, 2. And then you have to make sure you turn it when you put it in, because you don't want anything falling into that last hole. So we'll turn it sideways. Push our cylinder in. There you go. Both keys should work fine. It's funny they keep the keys together. That's one way to get locked out. We'll put this back together. This little tool will save you a lot of time. Pushes the pin in. All right, we're done.